Hello, today we are going to speak about forest. Flora.
Bromeliads. They have very large leaves and different colors. Passiflora. In tropical forests we can see this variety of species.
Orchids. They are in danger of extinction. Grandes baobab. They have a very beautiful flowers. Fauna. Toucan. It has a large beak and striking colors. Butterflies. They are characterized by presenting different colors. Owler monkey. Only usually found in the forests of South America.
We are looking at and looking in the Australia, South America, and Madagascar.
Africa and India and Papua and New Guinea.